Friends, welcome to our complex analysis video series. In the sequence of module 2, we have already discussed the different diagonals of the conformal mapping. In today's video, we will discuss the bilinear transformation, and it is also called Mobius transformation. As we know, the binomial transformation, those type of transformations which satisfy this one, which satisfy the, already we have discussed the bilinear transformation, linear transformation. See, this is the linear transformation. The meaning of the linear transformation, those type of transformations which satisfy the translations, rotations and magnifications. These three results and will satisfy, then we can say that it is the linear transformation. But in today's lecture, our topic is related to the bilinear transformation. It means that when the translations, rotations and magnifications and inversions, these four properties will satisfy, then we can say that it is the bilinear transformation. So friends, in today's video, we will discuss the bilinear transformation. See here, the transformation of the form W equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. W equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. As we know, what is W? W is nothing, it is the complex function where A, B, C, D are constant and AD minus BC is not equal to 0. AD minus BC is not equal to 0 is called bilinear transformation or Mobius transformation. So this is the another definition, you can say that definition of the bilinear transformation, when the result of the form W equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D and AD minus BC is not equal to 0, then we can say that the result is bilinear transformation. The constant AD minus BC is called the determinant of the transformation T, and the transformation T is said to be normalized if the result AD minus BC equal to 1. So it is the point of the notations here. AD minus BC is called the determinant of the transformation, and when AD minus BC equal to 1, then it is called the normalization of the transformation. Now we have the equation 1 here, W equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. This is equation 1. Now on minor simplification of this by cross multiplication, we will get the equation becomes the form CWZ plus DW minus AZ minus B equal to 0. See here, the equation 2, this is equation 2. This equation 2 is bilinear both in Z and W. In terms of Z and in terms of W, it is the bilinear. Hence it is called bilinear transformation. It is called Mobius transformation after the name of the mathematicians Mobius in 1970 to 1868, who first studied the same. Now from equation 1, we have Z equal to, when we evaluate from equation 1 the value of Z, then value of Z becomes the form minus DW plus B divided by CW minus D. So this is the inverse transformation of, this is the inverse transformation, and it is denoted by T to the power minus 1, and it's defined as Z equal to T inverse W equal to minus DW plus B divided by CW minus A. Now the determinant of this transformation is minus D minus A minus BC, that means AD minus BC equal to same of the determinant of the transformation 1. So this is the logic of the result. This is the Mobius transformation, means bilinear transformation, when we take the inversions of the result and we get the result like this, and when we evaluate the determinant of this inversions result, and we will get the same transformation of the result. So this is the basic about the bilinear transformation. Now what is the inversions point of the bilinear transformation? Means that what is a fixed point? So here note that W equal to this one, this is the form of the bilinear transformation, W equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. This is equation 1. Now when we map Z maps into itself, then W equal to, we denote here the tau, so tau equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D. Now this equation 2 of roots are invariant or fixed point of the bilinear transformation are equal. As we calculate here, the determinant values are same. So the bilinear transformation is said to be parabolic. Now this type of result is the parabolic transformations. So this is all about the bilinear transformation. Now friends, in the sequence of the conformal mapping, in the next video we will discuss about cross ratio and related some problems. So thank you.